Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, if you have mistakenly changed the language in your Microsoft Word and you want to change back to English in Microsoft Word, then I'll tell you the simple step to do so. So currently you can see it's in Hindi language, in a different language, and here you need to click on the very first option. Since you might know the language, then only look for the things which I am showing. So click on the first item here, first menu item, which says File. And then we need to go to the last option, which says Option. So here we need to click on the last option. I'll click on that. And then we need to click 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth option, which says Language. Now here you will find the language English here, and then you need to select the last option out of these four. Select this and then select the first option which says yes, and then click on OK and close it, and then we will reopen it and see if it has changed or not. So you can see we have successfully changed the language in Microsoft Word. And guys, if this video is helpful, if this tutorial is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad if you do that. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.